So, arin na mga friendship, natapos ko na mag-sampay. Oh, ang cute. Oh. I'm enjoying. Yeah. To hang here the clothes of my apohin. Yan, bali ito lahat yung aking nalabahan. Sama yung mga bib niya. Ayan, dito naman yung kanyang mga bib. Tsaka yung kanyang cute na mga botis. Yan. So, di ba mga friendship? Kakatawa. Yan, natutuwa ko sa akin mga apo. Kailan kanilang mga mommies ay napaka matyagang magbili ng mga ganito, mga gamit. So, ayan o, nakita yung mga friendship. Lagi yan nakakabit. Anytime, pag gumalaw yung aking apohin while he's sleeping, when he wake up, yan, ready to fight against against the violence. So, this is it for now. I'm going to sampay outside. I cannot bring the camera outside because my cellphone is always low, but my cellphone is coming to dangerous hell. So, that's why I'm trying to, even though my cellphone is not enough memory, even though it's coming to dangerous situation, but always no cut. Because we are hurry to have a income. I hope. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Help me. So help me. So that I can buy upon this phone is, this is an award for me. 2017, year 2017 until now. That's why the memory is very full. So help me by the help of God. Your puso, yan ikaw, your heart will be puso din here in my video. So help me. Lend me your hands to comments down below. We are in the same business, so let's put together. Bye-bye. By this moment, English speaking na kasi ako because of my grandson. I'm going to teach him always English speaking in that. But my English good for graduate only, no grade 2. So, please help me. If there's an expert there to watch my video, help me to English expertly. So, mga friends, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.